Hi, this is Sonali Ghai, data analytics student at National College of Ireland. For my data warehouse implementation project, I have chosen tobacco product consumption in America. For this, I have taken three structured datasets. That is, first is from healthdata.gov, second is from kaggle.com, and third is from cdc.gov, which means Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. As my semi-structured dataset, I have fetched this table using R code. Here is the code to fetch that table into CSV format. This is how it looks. And as my last data source, which is unstructured, I have fetched tweets to perform sentiment analysis on them product-wise to check the value of the product. The first step in the data warehousing is to create database and the tables in the SQL Server Management Studio. As we can see that here's the database named Tobacco and all the tables that I need for this project. Now we will populate these tables using SSIS, which is the integration services. In this, I have the starting process script and then the truncating table script, which will truncate all the tables before populating data in them. Here's the process in which the data from the file is stored in the database directly, and in the end, my fact table will be updated. To start this process, I'll click Start. The process is running. It says about to start. The tables are populated and my fact table is updated successfully. Now we'll check our fact table. All the data is in here. That means the process was successful. Now we'll go to SSAS, which means the analysis services. Here I have uploaded my data sources, data source view, created all the dimensions and the cube. Now is the time to deploy the cube. Deploy. It is being deployed. It is successfully deployed, which means that now I have all my data in my cube. We'll check the fact table by clicking Explore Data. Here's the data in my cube. Now we can go further with the analysis of this data. For that, I'll use Power BI. In this, I have uploaded my cube and created the three case studies that I wanted to work on. In my first case study, I'm checking the revenue from different products state-wise. As we can see in this graph, the California has maximum revenue, that is $8,953 million from dissolvable tobacco. That means if a company wants to sell the dissolvable tobacco product, it should target California because maximum people like dissolvable tobacco in California. Similarly, Texas generates maximum revenue from cigarettes, that is $8,443.3 million. So if the company wants to sell cigarettes, it should sell the product in Texas to generate maximum revenue. My second case study compares sales value and the survey value with respect to the level of education. In this, we can see that people start consuming tobacco related products in their middle school. As we can see that sample value and the sales value is maximum in the middle school. That means if a company wants to attract the customers to their products, they need to target the middle school students. In my third case study, we'll compare the sentiment score with the consumption pattern. As we can see, the sentiment score for hookah is maximum, which is 17, and the related value, that is the consumption of it every day, is also highest, which is 24.88%. This can be clearly viewed in this table. Here, we can see that the consumption of hookah is maximum every day and the sentiment score for this is also high. Thank you.